Good day everyone, this is Group 4. My name is Ding Xiaoyue. Today we will present our analysis titled Financial Ratio Trend Analysis and Comparative Study of Top Glove Corporation per head and Kazan Rubber Industries per head, covering the period from 2020 to 2024. Of this study is to evaluate the financial performance of both companies and determine which is financially stronger under current economic conditions. Our analysis is based on the consolidated financial statements of both companies from 2020 to 2024. We conducted a trend analysis using the following financial ratio categories, which is liquidity, efficiency, and leverage, and financial risk, as well as profitability and shareholder returns. Let's now proceed to a detailed examination of each category.
My name is Gu Xinyu. Now let me introduce liquidity analysis. Both companies showed a declining liquidity trend after the pandemic peak. For Top Glove, the current ratio decreased from 1.87 to 1.63, and the quick ratio fell from 1.42 to 1.5. For Coulson, the current ratio declined from 3.786 to 2.64, and the quick ratio from 3.18 to 2.7. Although liquidity declined for both companies, Coulson consistently maintained the stronger short-term financial stability. Now let me say efficiency analysis. For Top Glove, inventory turnover declined from 4.92 to 2.47. Accounts receivable turnover declined from 7.84 to 4.96. Asset turnover fell from 1.12 to 0.57. These sharp declines indicate weakening operational performance. For Coulson, efficiency ratios also declined, but at a slower and more stable pace. Overall, Coulson demonstrates stronger operational efficiency.
Good day everyone, my name is Hyu Lin. Now I will present leverage and financial risks of the Top Glove and Coulson. Leverage ratios show how much debt a company uses and how well it can pay its interest. In this part, we can focus on two key ratios, debt ratio and times interest earned, also called TIE. From the analysis between 2020 and 2024, Top Glove's debt ratio increased when its interest coverage declined sharply. This means Top Glove is becoming more dependent on debt and facing higher financial risk, especially when its profits dropped after the pandemic. In contrast, Coulson maintained lower leverage and stronger ability to service its debt. Its TIE ratio stayed more stable, which shows that Coulson has better control of financial risk. Overall, we can conclude that Coulson carries lower financial risk, while Top Glove is more exposed to financial pressure in the recent years. Last, I will move to profitability and shareholder returns. Here we analyze four main ratios: net profit margin, return on equity, return on assets, and earnings per share. The results show a very clear difference. After 2022, Top Glove's profitability dropped sharply and even entered negative territory. This was the mainly caused by falling glove demand, high production cost, and intense competition. However, Coulson maintained positive and more stable profitability throughout the period. Its ROE and ROE remained healthier, and its EPS performance was also more reliable. This means that Coulson provides stronger and more consistent returns to the shareholders, while Top Glove's return became healthily unstable. Therefore, from both a business and investor perspective, Coulson demonstrates guaranteeing the better long-term profitability quality.
Hi, I'm Sanjianing. Now let's shift to my section. I'll be covering key investment considerations beyond financial data. We consider about market position, regulatory factors, technology innovation, management governance, ESG practices, and macroeconomic trends. These factors further support our evaluation. Now let's looking ahead to 2025. Top Glove benefits from its global market leadership, but continues to face margin pressure from high cost and competition. Coulson, through automation, cost discipline, and its strong position in the premium medical glove segment, demonstrates greater resilience and stronger long-term growth potential.
Hello everyone, I'm Arib Abrar Araf. I'm going to break down the final recommendation. Based on the financial trends, external environment, and future outlook, we recommended Kosan Rubber Industries Berhad as the stronger investment option. Kosan offers more stable profitability, lower financial risk, stronger operational efficiency, better long-term growth prospects. While Top Globes remains a major global player, Kosan provides superior risk-adjusted returns in the current market environment. Thank you so much for your attention and affection. We are happy to answer any questions.